Hello and welcome. You're watching Too Sharp with ET. I'm Nisha Podar, and there's just so much happening across the world. We have got the two important big stories that you must know about today. Indian markets surge as ceasefire and global thaw boost the sentiment, and US-China tariff truce really sends global stocks soaring. Markets rebound big on peace hopes as well as domestic strength. Now, the Indian markets just staged their biggest rally in over a year. The Sensex jumped about 3,000 points. That's, remember, 3.7% gain for this index. Nifty 50 surged over 900 points, ending just shy of 25,000 mark. The triggers? India-Pakistan ceasefire holds. Over the weekend, both the sides agreed to pause hostilities after a week of drone strikes and cross-border shelling. A fragile peace brought relief to the markets. Now, hotline warnings continue, but markets are hopeful that the worst is probably over. US-China thaw also lifts global risk appetite. We'll get you that in just a bit, but first to the domestic factors and the tailwinds that gave firepower to the bulls in Indian markets. Record SIP inflows of 26,600 crores in April, sovereign credit rating upgrade by Morningstar to BBB stable, strong macro data and mutual fund support bolstered the rebound, and broad-based buying across all sectors today, and all major indices closed in the green. Those are the headlines. Nifty IT led with 6.7% gain, followed by real estate with almost 6% gain. Autos and PSU sectors did well. Mid-cap and small-cap indices also went up hard with over 4% gain. Now, top gainers amongst the heavyweights are Infosys, L&T, HDFC Bank, RIL, TCS, as well as ICICI Bank, which rose with fierce momentum. Special mention of Reliance Power and Adani Power on positive triggers. They gained momentum. Technical view. Well, Kotak Securities says that Nifty broke past 24,200 resistance. Watch out, a sustained close above 24,500 to take us to above 25,000 levels. Now, US-China trade truce sparks global rally after months of tariff tit-for-tat. Well, Washington and Beijing hit the pause button finally. Well, Trump's 145% tariff on Chinese goods will now be cut to 30% for 90 days, and China slashes its retaliatory tariff from 125 to 10%. Non-tariff barriers also suspended. So the breakthrough came at the Geneva summit, where representatives of both the countries met and agreed on these parameters. China was represented by their vice premier. Now, US called it a real headway. Neither side wants decoupling. We both want balanced trade, is what they say. And China echoed the same tone, saying the move aligns with common global interests. So the market impact, well, S&P 500 futures rose up by over 3%. Hang Seng jumped with same intensity. Brent crude edged up over $64 to a barrel. Gold dipped by over 2% as risk-on sentiment returned. Dollar rallied against the major currencies. Now, as to why it matters, this is the first real reset in ties since Trump's second term began. CEOs from Walmart, Target, JP Morgan all had warned of price shocks and empty shelves. Now there's hope for a broader deal, even on fentanyl curbs. Now finally, Monday's rally shows what happens when peace policy as well as perceptions align. But don't forget that the road ahead is likely to be volatile. We'll keep a track. I'm Nisha Podar signing off on Too Sharp with ET. Don't forget to hit the like button. Goodbye for now.